it took me a long time to realize that it wasn't just about donating to the large pot of money that some administrator in Rack Hall would be able to distribute out to different programs of their choosing, that I actually got to write the check or have the money come out of my paycheck to a cause, to something that I was really passionate about, of my choosing, and to be able to see that direct impact. So know that the money, whether it be the $10 a month or the $500 donation, whatever it was that I made at the time or I'm making now, know that it impacted that program directly. So I could pick, interests that related to what I'm passionate about at home, passionate about at work, and not have an administrator, not have somebody at the administration level choose to where they want to spend the money, but rather I can choose where I would like to spend the money. And it made me feel more invested in where I work and in my community, because it was just something I felt that mattered to me and was important to me.